are seated. Federal regulations prohibit smoking, including e-cigarettes and vaping, as well as consuming cannabis or personal alcohol. In-flight service will begin shortly. Please refer to the menu in your seat back, which lists items for purchase on today's flight. Lavatories are located at the front and back of the aircraft. We'd like to extend a special welcome to WestJet Reward members.